Welcome to NotiVex's setup tutorial. Let's get started. So when you first open our app, you'll be greeted by this interface. Click Next. These are the different utilities available in our app, with more to come soon. This is a brief overview of how NotiVex uses your data. We do not share any data with third-party apps or websites, and you only allow the permissions you would like to use in the app. If you are satisfied, check the checkbox and move ahead. Here is where we need you to permit NotiVex to use Do Not Disturb. You can either follow this step-by-step tutorial given in the app or click on this button, which will lead you right to this video. Now, click Go to Settings. Find our app in these settings and click on it. Click Allow Do Not Disturb. Now, click Allow. You can now make your way back to our app. Congratulations! You have completed setting up NotiVex. Now you can go ahead to allow any further permissions as you choose whenever you use the app. Thanks for watching.